Search engines can handle simple search results easily. However, when it comes to complex searches, they often fall short. For example, if you try to find quality references for your project, such as full-text journal articles or ebooks, you could spend hours or even days without success. Instead, our research engine, using two state-of-the-art features, can deliver your desired references in a matter of minutes. Our first feature is an ultra-efficient keyword filter. This filter can narrow your search down through many levels as required. Here's an example. Suppose you want to find articles on children's asthma caused by air pollution. Simply type medicine in the search box, or click medicine in the subject line. Several million results show up. On the left side of the page, there are 4 filters: keywords, languages, formats, and year. Under the keywords filter, click Show More. Notice that keywords with the highest number of associated records are at the top. To sort them alphabetically, click here. There is a horizontal list of alphabet letters across the top. Clicking on any letter shows keywords beginning with that letter. Let's click the letter A. Sort the list alphabetically here, then click Asthma. Several thousand results show up. Far too many to read through. Let's drill down one more level. Back under Keywords filter, click Show More again. Choose letter A in the alphabet list. Sort keywords alphabetically, then click Air Pollution. Now it's a more workable number of results, but still too many to read through. Let's go down another level. Under Keywords filter, click Show More again. Choose letter C, then click Children. Now you have very few results. Remember, just several mouse clicks ago, we started with millions. At this point, you can probably read them all. Our second feature is a worldwide author search. Suppose the first article is very valuable for your project. You probably want to find more articles from these very same authors. At random, we selected the last co-author, Zanobedi A. Click the author's name. Many results come up, each with an author being Zanobedi A. These results could be from different journals and books scattered worldwide. Now we've completed an author search. Always click Clear Search before starting your next search. If you know of other quality resources, just email us. We're happy to index and direct traffic to them. Remember, we don't copy these resources. We just integrate, organize, and index them, so researchers like yourself will always have more to discover. Thank you for watching our introductory video. edu.Global. Research made easy.